A study of more than 500,000 people around the world has revealed new insights into the causes of stroke. Its findings triple the number of known genetic factors.
Bill Gasiamis was 37 when he suffered his first stroke. 6 weeks later, he experienced another bleed.
I didn't recognise my wife, and I wasn't allowed to drive for the best part of about 9 months, and I was told not to work.
A number of lifestyle factors likely contributed to his strokes, but he later realised his condition may also run in the family.
And this particular faulty blood vessel usually just sits by and doesn't do too much, but in some cases they tend to bleed.
An international study based on DNA samples of more than 500,000 people around the world identified 22 new genetic risk factors for stroke, tripling the number of gene regions known to raise the chance of having a stroke.
It's not just about lifestyle with blood pressure, it's obviously now a genetic variant that's at play.
The results also found a shared genetic influence between strokes and multiple vascular conditions, and ethnicity can determine what kind of stroke a person suffers.
For example, in an Asian population, a stroke that's caused by a bleed is much more likely than a stroke that's caused by a clot.
Stroke is one of Australia's biggest killers and a leading cause of disability.
It's a very valuable study, I think, in terms of it providing new insight into some of the more novel risk factors for stroke.
The hope is that down the track, DNA testing could be used to personalise treatment.
It is possible that in the future we can more quickly identify people that are better responders to certain medications. We can add in medications that maybe weren't even considered.
That's something stroke patients welcome, especially to protect their children.
We know that we're being proactive rather than just waiting for this time bomb.
Lydia Feng, SBS World News.